Hey everyone, 3 highly anticipated new products were unveiled during Apple's recent 3-day event: an updated MacBook Pro, a redesigned Mac Mini, and a renovated iMac, all of which featured Apple's newest M4 CPUs. Apple's desktop and laptop lines now have higher performance and design standards thanks to this year's revisions, which also significantly increased the minimum RAM to 16 gigs for all models. Here's a closer look at Apple's most recent products, starting with the Mac Mini, which offers notable enhancements and a potent punch in a small package. The Mac Mini is almost half the size of its predecessor, measuring around 13 by 13 centimeters, and is now more akin to an Apple TV. This slim, compact device, which comes in 2 versions, one with the more powerful M4 Pro processor and the other with the ordinary M4 chip, still manages to pack a lot of internal power. M4, with 10 CPU and 10 GPU cores, the base Mac Mini model can handle demanding tasks with ease and effectiveness. The M4 Pro-equipped Mac Mini provides even more power with a 12-core CPU and 16-core GPU arrangement, as well as 14-core CPU alternatives and 20-core graphics for superior processing power. According to Apple, the graphics subsystem of the M4 Pro can give up to twice the speed of the previous M3 Pro, and the processor is 1.6 times quicker than the M2 Pro. With the following connectors, Apple has optimized connectivity in the updated Mac Mini: front ports, a headphone jack, and 2 USB-C 3.0 connectors. Rear connectors include 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, Ethernet, and HDMI. The M4 Pro model has been upgraded, with 3 Thunderbolt 5 connections and data transfer rates of up to 120 gigabit per second. You may connect to numerous monitors with ease. With a starting price of $600, this entry-level model is a powerful yet affordable way to get started in the Apple ecosystem. With extra memory and storage, the M4 Pro model will cost approximately $1,400. An update was also given to Apple's 24-inch iMac, though it wasn't as drastic as the Mac Mini. The iMac 24 has the following new features: maintains its 4.5K Retina resolution with an optional $200 nanotech coating to cut down on glare. Color enhancements: while the iMac's color scheme is still there, some of the hues are now more vivid. Internal strength: with the new M4 chip, the iMac 24 outperforms the M3 by roughly 1.3 times, thanks in large part to improvements in Apple's Neural Engine, which drives AI-powered features. The base edition of the redesigned iMac, which starts at $1,300 and has 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports and 16 gigs of RAM, offers people looking for a sleek, all-in-one desktop a sophisticated, powerful experience. The MacBook Pros, which come in 14-inch and 16-inch variants, and with M4, M4 Pro, and M4 Max CPUs, complete the M4 series. The M4 Max, which combines 2 M4 Pro CPUs for unmatched laptop performance, is the standout model here. A variety of options are available in Apple's new M4 series, ranging from the powerful MacBook Pro to the small but capable Mac Mini. Apple's emphasis on AI performance and the higher base RAM of 16 gigs indicate a move toward more powerful machine learning and multitasking apps. Many find the new Mac Mini, which retails for $600, to be an especially alluring option because it offers exceptional power and value in a small, reasonably priced chassis. With these new models, Apple's 2024 portfolio is poised to revolutionize desktop and laptop performance and productivity while providing people with powerful options across form factors. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new mini PC? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.